See, bros, as I see you, I know say this girl, they lie for your head.
You see, just follow us go street station. Only statement now we just need for you to write. We go release you. We go even come drop you for here, Nana. You enter motor, no?
I'ma see brother, we move.
You know say you get anybody wey go fit pay you. Just call am now, me come pay you.
Ah, but you said I would not write statement, you release me now.
Oh yeah, right. Right, say we catch you with 6 parts of Igbo. Ah, I'll kill somebody.
Just sir!
Sir.
Is this a suspect?
Yes, sir.
Good job, boys. Good job, boys.
Oga, this guy stress us so. This idiot will say all Nigeria police are cultists.
He say if he reach station, he go carry my gun, say kill you. Ah!
Stand up!